To fix Cash App error code 400, follow these steps. First, understand what the error code means. Error code 400 is a general error that occurs when there is a problem with the request you are trying to make. This could be due to a network issue, a problem with the Cash App servers, or an issue with your account. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause errors when trying to use the Cash App. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if this resolves the issue. Next, check the Cash App status to see if there are any known issues or outages. You can do this by visiting the Cash App website or social media pages to see if other users are experiencing similar issues. If there is an outage, wait until it is resolved before trying to use the app again. If the issue is not with the Cash App servers, try logging out of the app and then logging back in. This can sometimes resolve the error by resetting your session. Make sure you are using the correct login credentials and that your account is active and in good standing. Another step is to check for updates to the Cash App. An outdated version of the app can cause errors, so make sure you are running the latest version. You can do this by visiting the App Store on your device and checking for updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Cash App. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the error and give you a clean start. Be sure to back up any important data before uninstalling the app. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve the error. Be prepared to provide detailed information about the error, including when it occurs and any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Cash App error code 400 and get back to using the app without any issues. Remember to always keep your app up to date and your internet connection stable to prevent errors from occurring in the future.